Hi everyone, this is RB once again. It is the 6th week of the series Improve Your Vocabulary. हिंदी में भी बताऊंगा ताकि समझने में आसानी हो. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification button to stay updated. We learned demagogue 2 days ago. That means we'll have to learn 4 more words in the first few days of this week. And by the end of the week we would learn 10 words. Anyhow, let's begin. The first word we're going to learn today is expedient. Remember, it's not expedient, it's expedient. It means helpful in a situation but morally unacceptable. किसी परिस्थिति में उपयोगी साबित हो सकता है मगर नैतिक रूप से आपत्तिजनक है. For example, it can seem expedient if you hired someone and decide not to pay that person until the work is finished. अगर किसी को आपने काम पे रखा है और उनका वेतन उनको काम होने के बाद ही सिर्फ दे रहे हैं तो वो किसी को एक्सपीडियंट लग भी सकता है. पहले काम फिर पैसा पूरी दुनिया में चलता है, लेकिन ये सुनने में भी एक्सपीडियंट लग सकता है. Sometimes companies take many expedient measures to improve their financial circumstances. कंपनीज अपने आर्थिक परिस्थिति में सुधार लाने के लिए बहुत सारे डिसीजंस लेते हैं जो कि एक्सपीडियंट होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे ऑफन फायर सम ऑफ देयर एम्प्लॉइज. कभी कभार वो अपने कुछ कर्मचारियों को काम से निकाल देते हैं. नेक्स्ट अप, कंटेंशियस, causing or likely to cause disagreement and argument. जो चीज बहस और असहमति का कारण है या कारण हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the politician has made contentious statements about the flood this year. Some groups have contentious views on different religions. Next up, rehabilitate. It can be used for both people and things. It can mean to return someone in the normal life after they have been in prison, been sick, etc. किसी को स्वाभाविक जीवन यात्रा में वापस ले आना. For example, the primary goal of imprisonment should be to rehabilitate prisoners so that they can lead normal lives when they leave prison. There are some institutes which rehabilitate chain smokers and drunkards. Rehabilitate can also mean to return to a good condition. The chief minister should seriously think of rehabilitating the bridges. सही में अभी हाल ही में एक बहुत बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हुआ था. Lastly, resentment, a feeling of anger because one is forced to accept something which one does not like. नाराजगी एवं असंतोष. For example, a student expressed resentment over the teacher's behavior. एक स्टूडेंट टीचर के बर्ताव पर नाराजगी जताया था. That's it for today. If you have any queries, you can put it in the comments section. I'll make sure I respond to each and every comment. If you like the video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so. Until next time, this is RB signing off.